So hello guys, this is Cherry and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna say about drone and where we can buy and what are all the rules and regulations. We'll be able to get license or not, and what are all the restricted places, how much height you can fly. All those things today we are gonna discuss in this video. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the notification button. And if you have any doubts, you can comment in this video or else follow me on Instagram at Togur Cherry, and you can text me in Instagram. I'll give an instant reply for you people. So let's get into this. So this is my drone, DJI Spark actually. I bought it recently a month before. So first, where we can buy drones in your local area, where we can get that electronic stuffs. In Chennai means we'll get in Mount Road, those kind of places, and they are not gonna keep it in showcased because it is illegal in India drone flying. And now November, DGCA has been banned all types of drones. Nothing should not means no drones should be flied in India. It's totally banned now. It's illegal. It is totally illegal now. So they are not gonna showcase the drones in the display. So you should not expect those things. You can ask in small electronic shops in Chennai Mount Road or else wherever you are living, like in Mumbai, all those places and all. The electronic areas will be there. Main market will be there commonly. So there we can get easily. We can approach people. That's how I got also. I just contacted my brother and my brother contacted a dealer. So through that I got this drone actually, and it is not a very big deal to get a drone in India. But then how much risky is to fly a drone in public places, I'm going to tell about that too. So this is how you will get a drone, and the prices will be, you see in the DJI brand website, there will be a price, and it will be like more 10,000 or 15,000 like that. It will be more up and down. It will be there. I'm not sure about the price because like gold, the drone's price will also go high and it can come down. Like that it will happen. Actually the market is running like that only. It can go anytime up and it can come anytime low. So that's how the market runs. So we can't judge the price. So while you're flying in a public areas, what and all you have to do is, usually I won't do this, but then also I won't recommend this to you people to do. I won't get police permissions, local area police station permissions, all those things and all. You want to get a license like from DGCA, which is in Delhi. You want to get license from there. But then now they are not allowing anyone. DGCA has a form in website. You can find in website if you type the DGCA and all. So you can find a form. But then now it is illegal because they are doing some work on that. They wanna make it legal for some small drones, and also they're working on it. So they banned totally all the drones for temporarily, not permanently, temporarily, from the last November, I think so. I just read an article now. After that only I'm explaining these things to you people. So where you can fly the drones, you can fly the drones where there is no people, not crowded places, and if you have a group of people like 10 to 15 members, then it's not a problem. You can say them that I'm not shooting you, I'm just shooting the nature, all those things. You can say if you are if you want to shoot aerial views of some mountains, so some natures and all, you can say them, you can explain them, they will understand and they will motivate you to do that. So if you are if you are being in a crowded place like hundreds, thousands of people over there, and you want to fly drone over there, it's not really advisable. You should not fly drone over there because many of them will get affected, and they can do anything. They can trash you, or else they can give complaints on you, or else they can take your drone to police station. All these things will happen because they don't want the privacy should be like showcased in front of everyone, like YouTube channel, all those things. So we need to keep the privacy in our mind. While flying the drone, we should not disturb anyone basically, and we should not shoot the armed areas like army base, all those things, because it is restricted. Mostly restricted areas should not be shoot the drones. Wherever the drones are not allowed, you need to ask the local area peoples whether the drone is allowed here or not. You should be very careful. You should not fly in restricted areas because it will cause you imprisonment. So you need to be very careful in that. If you ask me that, then I can't fly the drone itself or not. I used to fly drones usually, but then not that much in crowded places, in restricted areas. I used to ask local peoples whether I can fly the drone or not. After that only I'll make my decision, and I'll just see the surroundings, how it was, whether I can fly the drone or not. Then only I'll fly the drone. Uh, Mostly you can ask permission with nearby police station also. They will allow you, because many of them nowadays started shooting for short films, all those things. You can say them that I'm shooting a short film, I'm making film for my YouTube channel, like that, or else I'm making film for my hobby, like that. You can say them and you can get permission. They will give you permission if you ask them. And if the place is restricted area, they are not going to give you permission. And don't tell them that you are carrying the drone actually, because if someone have lots of knowledge about the drones, if they ask you the license and all, now you will get over. Basically, getting the license is a very big deal. Most of them won't used to do that. Many of the YouTubers you may see, no one is having license. I think so because I don't have license, and I'm flying it illegally, but I'm not doing it for any bad things. I'm not using it for bad cause. So I'm just making aerial views for you people. So I don't think so it is a wrong thing to do. Soon Indian government should approve the drones. And a small review about my DJ Spark actually. The drone was really amazing. It was doing its work perfectly. Worth for money really. While comparing to bigger drones like Phantom 4, Mavic Pro, all those things were very costly ones, and I got it for a very cheap price. Means not that much cheap as you people think. It's a normal price I got it for. So while comparing to them, I'm very satisfied having this drone, because the thing I need, it is fulfilling that. The whatever the views, whatever the shots I need, it is fulfilling that. So I'm really very happy buying the DJI Spark. So that's it. So if you want, you can buy the drone, and you can fly like in a lonely place without any crowds and without disturbing anyone. You can fly there, and you can do it for your hobby also. You can enjoy it, but don't do any cause for anyone. Means don't shoot some illegal things and all. Don't shoot some restricted areas. Don't do those things while you're having drone. You should not take it in flight and all, because if customs people saw that, they will really gonna seize. And one more thing, if you think that you are gonna take the drone from US, you are gonna ship the drone from US to India, it's not gonna really happen. It's because the customs are really, they are focused on drones nowadays. Many of them was carrying drones from US or else China, Singapore, Malaysia. Many of the people was carrying drone from there, but then they are caught by customs and then they will get fined. All those things will happen. So don't do those things. Buy in India itself. You can get in India itself. It will be legal very soon, I think so, because many of them started using. Many of them wanted to use legally, but then government should take some step on that. So with that said, guys, I'm gonna end this vlog over here. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this video is a little bit helpful for you people about the drone, and how I bought the drone, where you can get the drones. All those things will be helpful for you people, I think so, a little bit. So if you have any doubts about drone, if I missed anything in this video, you can just comment below. I'll reply it. Or else if you wanna, you can follow me on Instagram, and I'll reply on Instagram too. Thank you so much for watching, guys. As usual, just eat, sleep, and I'll repeat that again, guys. See you people in the next video. Till that, signing off, your Cherry. Bye bye.